Sometimes our dog gets what I call doggy dandruff. And if I get a close up here, maybe you can see those white flakes. These little flakes come up on your pet, and you need to be able to get rid of it. And why spend lots of money going to a groomer's to do something that you can do very simply at home? I'm going to show you a remedy to get rid of doggy dandruff. Coconut oil. Dogs like the taste of it, and it's very healthy for them. It actually keeps their coat very shiny from the inside. But also, wow, Cosmo's getting a little lick of this. I can work, I don't know if you can see this, but I'm wiping coconut oil into his coat, and I'm rubbing it in. So eventually it will moisturize and his coat will be fantastic, shiny, and all it cost was a tablespoon of coconut oil. I hope this was helpful. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. Thank you.